इधर इस समय किसान आंदोलन चल रहा है, वहाँ तमाम रेड फ्लैग्स दिखाई पड़ रहे हैं। तो क्या रिवाइवल ऑफ कम्युनिज्म है ये भारत के अंदर? क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस? बिकॉज यू आर कमरेड, सो आई एम आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन.
For any revolution, the role of communalism is really paramount, and it has unleashed many battles. And I cannot say that it is the farmers community is belonging to communist only. They are belonging to various parties. Now they are being attacked by the government, and government is corporatizing the farming. The land will be given to the corporates. So definitely the poor farmers who have been farming their field, now definitely they will lose their land, and mandi, whatever you say, that system will go.
No, I am re-asking that question. Is it that now the ideology of communism is supporting these type of movements, like you, like farmers?
Yes.
Is it that naked capitalism which we are seeing today? I'm using a very hard word, but now the capitalism is at utmost. So is it that revival of communistic ideology, or is it so?
Communalism or communist, they have been fighting for the welfare of the working class.
Yes, yes.
It is the party for the working class.
Yes.
There should not be any exception
Yes,
as far as farmers are concerned.
Yes, yes.
So definitely when this type of attacks are mounting against that working class, definitely communalism will also flourish. Communism will flourish.
Yes.
And by that, revolution will take place.
Yes. Okay.
Definitely it will take. Where are attacks, then always communism has come into fore.
Yes, yes.
So we have seen so many revolutions, and definitely this farmers' agitation, definitely government has to succumb to this pressure from this.
So are you giving support to those farmers?
Yes, because All India Bank Employees Association, it is identifying itself with the working class.
So are you going to demonstrate any strike or one day strike for those farmers in near future?
Yeah, slowly. Now, other day, our vice president from AABA, he went to the site and addressed the farmers.
Okay.
If AABA is giving a call, definitely our people are ready for one day strike or yes, any type of agitation.
Okay, Mr. Jayachandra, now it is a question to you. I'm just asking, what is in the mind of government now this time? They are going to sell railway. There was a policy, the non-profitable assets you may sell out. Now you sell out the profitable assets. LIC 55 लाख करोड़ का एक एसेट है, आप उसको सेल आउट कर रहे हैं. आप रेलवे को जो कि 100% प्रॉफिट में हमेशा चलता रहा, ये बेसिकली वो व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू.
Yeah, we are fighting. AAB has already given a call to fight against all this. We are also aware as to the developments that are taking place, especially in the latest budget. They have pronounced that BSNL will be privatized. Okay, then unfortunately 4G spectrum is not allotted to them, whereas 4G or 5G, those things will be allotted to Jio, Airtel and also Vodafone, so they are getting it. But there is no competition between BSNL with the private operators. As such, this will be led to defunct and will become redundant in the days to come. Being a government body, government itself is not supporting, and as such it is crumbling under its own feet. That is happening in BSNL.
So what you are seeing the near future, how we overcome that minus 24 GDP, are you seeing some hopeful decisions there or nothing is there?
We are losing hopes because GDP is crumbling down. It has gone to the bottom. ever since the post-independence era. For the first time, we have seen it is crumbling and going to the bottom.
So what will be the way to come out?
That is the policy of the central government, and they should come out with the step, but they are not much bothered.
No, no,
They are-
but as a economist, you presiding a bank association. So what may be the process of come out?
That's what we are advocating. Ever since the post-independence, we fought for nationalization of the banking industry, and like that, public sector concept and that character should continue in all this, and the privatization should stop everywhere. Yeah, everywhere. Even railways also getting privatized in many areas. Even defense also. Even manufacturing of certain issues that has been given to Ambani, aircrafts and all that. So this privatization should come down, and people's participation should increase, and job generation also will increase. That's what we, as a trade union belonging to All India Bank Employees Association, our fundamental foundation is to safeguard the public sector concept in India.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.